Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost, myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you VTiger CRM dashboard customization. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So guys, you can see the VTiger CRM in Bootstrap 3. So friends, see, this is the old look. After it, I will show you the changed look in Bootstrap 5. So guys, also if you will have any kind of query, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog therichpost.com contact us page. In this page you will get my email ID, WhatsApp number and Upwork ID as well. And also you will get multiple free things on my blog like e-commerce templates, admin dashboard templates and so on. Now see, this is the old look and now I will show you the Bootstrap 5 look. See guys, that I have changed. See friends, with dark and light blue as well. See guys, beautiful in Bootstrap 5. See guys, so friends, see, this is the change that I have made, and after it I will do with the more changes as well. So friends, if you will have any kind of VTiger work, then feel free to contact me anytime. I am full-time freelancer, and after it I will come with more changes, and in the end I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.